ano yung contribution mo sa movie? How makikita namin na, because Marian Rivera and Ay de las Alas are big stars. Tapos leading man nila, Edward Mendez, na so far, wala ka pang sobrang malalaking pelikula on your own. So, ano yung, papaano namin makikita yung Edward Mendez, pelikulang ito na magsashine, despite the 2 stars?
Yes, it's hard to say much because I might end up disclosing. But this movie is not just about, for me, yung pakitaan ng skin. But it seems like it. But there's going to be, it was very challenging for me also because involved a lot of acting as well, emotional stuff that I had to do. So I had to be very versatile. And I can't say much because, you know, kasi maraming twist yung, yung story eh. So it wasn't just like walking around ng pa-cute and palaglag ng panty. And I was actually proud and glad na hindi lang yun yung pinagawa sa akin ni Direk. Actually, before the movie, Direk had told me already ahead na malaking responsibility yung gagawin ko dito na kailangan kong, acting-wise. So hindi lang sa pagpakondisyon ng katawan, but also kailangan i-showcase ko yung acting ko to the max. So fortunately, I was able to do it because working with these 2 big stars had made it so easy for me. Yeah.
Thank you.